Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to use Notion templates for supplier management in 2025. Start by grabbing a supplier management or a vendor tracker template from Notion Gallery or Community. This usually comes preloaded with sections for supplier names, contract info, contract terms, pricing, reliability ratings, and renewal dates. It saves you a lot of time of building all those properties yourself. Once the template is in your workspace, customize it to fit your workflow. You can also add tags for supplier categories, link it to your inventory or finance database, and it even can embed it to key documents like contracts or invoices directly in each supplier page. The real power comes when you use multiple views. Switch to board view or a group supplier by region or performance, or use calendar to track contracts. This makes it easy to see who is up for renewal and who's performing the best. Finally, keep everything connected by linking your supplier template with your project management or purchasing database. That way, whenever you plan on a new work, you can instantly see which supplier are available and reliable. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.